systems engineering, you got to concentrate on the word systems, and that's really about boundaries or the lack of boundaries. It's redefining performance in a much broader context and creating the people that both have technical depth and breadth to be able to deal with that complexity.
It's a way of dealing with all kinds of very complicated problems in the world. One way to solve these problems is to have a basic education and go out and be a practitioner and do this. And our Masters of Engineering program is oriented towards that.
With the systems degree, and especially considering I'm a distance learner, it's an immediate application of what I'm learning. Well, I was actually able to take a project for an optimization course that I took and immediately apply that to what I was doing at work. So that was actually spectacular to see and to be able to do.
Hands down, the best thing that they have us do is come on campus.
We got to meet the professors and meet other students and be involved. And that made a huge impact on the program. That was one of the things that most made me feel integrated.
Being an Ivy League institution also brings specific advantages to coming to Cornell to study. One is the level of depth you'll see across the campus in many different areas of study. The ability to have both a very strong arts and sciences, a very strong art, architecture, and planning, the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences, as well as engineering. That's a tremendous advantage to the students.
Once I'm done with the Masters, I'll have 3 years of work experience and I'll have a Master's at Cornell. So in terms of prospects, I'm looking great from an employer standpoint.